from the beginning, you already your car coming center. So easy. What you do?
Center means after that what have to change?
1, 2, 3. Super. Hi everyone, hope doing well. Welcome back. And our area practice plastic drum. Today we have new student, our friend Oma. She's practice first day for her on the plastic drum. Actually, she did well. She tried her best. Now, Oma, she's going back reverse from the left side. She of course keeping looking the drum number 2 through number 1. Okay, so the turning to fully left. So guys, from this point, the turning point, I mean, must be confirmed. Okay, because if the car is narrow from any side to you, from the inside the drums, guys, this will this will be require more skill from you. So be careful when you are on the door. Make sure about your steering. Make sure about the both distance from the left to right, direct on the brake. Don't forget everything in this point. Very important. Make sure take your time. Check about left, right. Everything is okay. Safety. Then you have to go back. Take your time here. Don't be rush. Because if the car is narrow from any side, okay, to you from the inside the drum, this is will be required more skill from you. So be careful, guys. Okay, let's see Oma now, because she not stop, then her car coming left from the left side. Let's see. No, 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 no. Don't turn right. Huh? Turn left. That time you forget the steering. If you keep it straight, you will be okay. Turn fully left now. Full should be. Okay. One step back. Stop. Check both sides. Check both sides. Yes. Make sure both sides is straight. All right, my friends. So let's talk about our sister Oma weakness. Actually, she have 3 weakness points. 3 things. Number 1, when she is at the entrance to the drum, if if her car is in the middle, she does not check which direction is right and left. This is number 1. Number 2, also she is forgetting the direction of the steering wheel. That's very important. Okay, and the third one, the last one actually, is the distance between the drum and car bumper. When she's going back reverse, she didn't know what kind of the distance, 1 feet tight, a large one, like that. So hopefully, inshallah, she will become okay. Yeah, I'm sure about that. Hi, Mama, how are you?
Fine.
How is the plastic drum? Okay.
Okay, fine.
You see that side, that time you are coming back reverse, only your car already center between 8 drums. So what happened? I think you forget the steering. I can see you from outside turning left, right.
Yeah.
Only that time you have to fix your steering straight. You're coming already center.
Already center. After that we have to not change at all and directly come. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you want to turn inside the drum, you will come tight. So difficult if you go out. So from the beginning, you already your car coming center. So easy. What you
Come
do?
center means after that what have to change in the steering?
To the straight.
Straight. Okay. 1, 2 straight.
Yeah. But you have to stop first and then keep your steering straight. Make sure it's straight. If you are like you forget or something, don't move, no problem. Stay in your place. Just turn full left or right, so you can remember your steering is straight.
Yeah.
But don't go if you are not sure about your
Oscillation
steering.
mind is the main mistake.
Yeah, no problem. So we do it again, huh? So we are from the right side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Going. So you're going to look drum number 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So look the drum number 2 with the drum number 2. I mean drum number 4. You can keep that one quarter.
This one?
The number 4
Yeah.
through number 2.
Yeah.
So how you know? Like what you do that time when you go back, no? That is going back and that one going front. Opposite, you know, like that. So where is now number 4? It's like hiding behind 2, right? So what you do?
This one is okay?
This is not quarter, little bit quarter. You need one step backward. If you want come, look car center. This is quarter. Look to that size. For again, no, when you come back again here, it's like quarter. You can see from here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that one second drum, like what you tell me, it's already have jump between
Yeah.
the second. There's a jump, right? Yeah. So now
Now
you
we
can.
have to change the full tone.
Now you have your turn fully right here.
Yeah, this is the question.
Yeah. Otherwise, we can keep half, but I am sure your car coming too near from near the drum. So what to do here? You have to look this side, right mirror, and you can see if your car going center or not.
No?
Not yet. You have to keep going. Here. If you see more space from here, that's mean you are inside. Keep going, yes. Okay. Notice. So here the point. I want to make sure about your distance from left and right. Okay. How you know? From the handles and the drum and the line also.
Okay.
Okay.
Little bit have to go back.
Yeah, that is tight. Look from here tight. Keep steering fully right.
Fully right, yeah.
Because
fully
still
right.
you're not fixing the distance
Okay.
from the left and right. See here more distance, but from
Now
there
we have to go back little.
back here. One more step. No, okay. Check about the drum now
Yeah.
and the handles. Check here.
Yeah.
They are same.
Yeah. Same.
Huh? Same distance.
Yeah, same.
Okay, give yourself like few seconds to check about the distance left and right. Don't be rush. Then
After that we have to full turn or one.
Yeah.
1 and 2.
2. Yes, exactly. Yeah. But if you sometime if you forget, don't move also.
Okay.
Just turn left or right, no problem. Okay.
Now we have to go back.
We have to go back slowly.
This same
Same.
steering.
Yeah.
This
Don't turn
position.
left, right. Huh? Keep going. Go slow. Don't go fast. yeah. Go slow is better. So you can check left and right. Huh? Your car going straight back. Safety. Then you can move slowly. Okay. Okay, huh? Okay, we are out now. So go back more. We are waiting for that car.
Go front or
No, we wait for them until they come in. Go back more. Can you go back? Go back. Okay. He's asking you to go left. Okay, go left. Go left. No problem. Also remember here when you are going inside, no? Be careful, okay? Try to look in front. Don't look inside. Yeah. Steering straight, yeah. Okay. So remember when you go to turn, when the mirror is a little bit in front of the line, you can turn like this, yeah. Okay. Then steering straight. Okay, we stop here, we wait for him, huh? You can put in parking, no problem. Alright, so you're on the slope right now. We're going to stop before the line. Go up, yeah. Stop here. Stop, brake, and handbrake up. Okay, so at the same time you press the accelerator, at the same time you release the handbrake. Okay, keep your hand at the brake, handbrake, yeah. I will count for you. 1. Release your brake. Remove your feet from the brake. Go to the accelerator because you have already handbrake, no? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Press the accelerator and release the handbrake. Release. No, release it. Yeah. Okay. Can you stop here? Can you go back reverse? No. No need handbrake. Go back reverse. Change the gear only, okay? We do it again, huh? One more time, okay?
Okay.
Easy, just slope, nothing. This is not like Quantum Mountain, you know, or Jabal Akhbar. Huh? Okay, change your gear to drive. Yeah. Okay, release. Okay, keep your feet at the accelerator. At the same time, you're pressing the accelerator. At the same time, release the handbrake. Yeah, keep your hand with the handbrake. Yeah, I will count for you. 1, 2, 3. Super. That's good. Thank you. All the best. Okay, we go home, huh?
I know.
Yeah, let's go.